Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Alex Duetto with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues, one being that the steam boiler actually wasn't heating. We found that to be a bad relay, but even after replacing the bad relay, it worked for a little bit, but then once we started descaling, we ran into the issue where the heating element was receiving power but not actually heating the boiler. Here is the old element. Kind of see how bad it is. So this was just a broken heating element. We did have a replacement one here, so we did replace it with a different element so that it's working. As you can see, we're going to just quickly test the steam here. Steam really good. It comes out looking really great. We're up to around 1.5-ish bars. We also, the second issue, which was unrelated, when you pulled the brew lever, all of the water was actually running through the OPV valve, through the bottom. That was just a bad OPV, which we have here, as you can see. Even just trying to adjust it, it was just pushing all the water through this side route here, which was causing all the water to get rerouted. We replaced that, and actually I forgot to mention here is that old relay that was bad here. So yeah, after all that, we did a complete tune-up, which we descaled both the boilers. This machine really did need some descaling, as you can see with the heating element. It took quite a while to actually descale both of the boilers and to descale the E61 group head. Also, we did a full clean inside of the group head, replacing the shower screen and gasket, deep clean all the coffee grounds that were both behind and around the group head. And then also we did replace, just one thing I noticed, we did have to replace the hot water mesh, just because it had a lot of minerals in it and it was not pushing water correctly. So now if we were to pull this, it'll work nice and well. And then the group head works nice and great. And you can see no water coming out of the bottom. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.